What's up, online shoppers? It's time to decorate for Christmas. I'm so excited. And this is one of my favorite trees. This one here is a Best Choice Products Unlit tree. And I love that I can customize it with whatever I want. Because honestly, there's so many cool lights out there. I don't want to commit to having a pre-lit tree. I want to be able to put whatever I want on this tree. And that is exactly why I bought this one. Now this one here has about 700 tips. It's super lush and full. They've taken a lot of care to detail in this tree. The branches of this tree are actually really nicely done. They aren't just one green color. They have some variety in them so that it actually looks very realistic. And they've even gone to the care of tapering the branches so that they look more realistic and they're not just squarely chopped off on the end. And that won me over right there. And from taking it out of the box to fluffing it, it probably took me about 25 minutes because there are a fair amount of tips. It has 3 parts. There's a top, there's a middle, and a bottom, and they all just pop into each other. And then there's a really nice collapsible folding base that you put them into, and it's pretty sturdy. Now this one here isn't super wide, which is another reason I like it. Some of the Christmas trees, the more full you get, the more space they take up wide. And this one here still takes up maybe only about 3 feet across, so that is a really nice space efficient tree for me also. The branches on this tree are super sturdy. I love that there isn't a lot of shed when I put it together. This is my 3rd year with this tree, and at that point you kind of expect that you're going to see some branches shedding, but there's nothing on the floor, which also is a win in my books. If you are looking for an option for a Christmas tree and you don't want to be surprised when you take it out of the box, this one here is full and lush. It's easy to put together. The branches all just unhinge and open, a little bit of fluffing, and you have a beautiful, lush, thick tree that is a blank canvas so you can do whatever you want with it. Definitely this one is a family favorite at my house.